In this really quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download and install and use a free alternative to Microsoft Excel, which is called LibreOffice Calc. You can see that the look it's pretty similar to Microsoft Excel. So it has practically the same tools and features. Well, of course, Microsoft Office is probably a little bit better, but it's not a free solution. This one here is open source, it's free. You can download and install it and use it for free. So I will show you where to get this. So if you go in Google, just type LibreOffice like this. So LIBRE Office. And the first link here is going to bring you to the website that you're looking for. So you can see that this is a free and open source Office productivity software suite. So we will not find only Excel or the alternative to Excel, which is Calc, but you will also find the alternative to Microsoft Word or other productivity software. So let's go here and go to download, or you can go also in the main page. And from here, you just click on, well, this one, it's the latest, so 7.1. You can also go from here and say download LibreOffice, and also you have other stuff here. So if you click on download LibreOffice, you can also decide which operative system you want to use. In my case, it's Windows 64, and then you click on download. Once you click here, you will find it into the download folder, like that. And then you just need to double click and go through the installation. Now, I already installed it, so I will not install it again, but you have some option here. Usually I go pretty fast and do the typical installation, which will install the software in your operative system hard disk. So right now I'm gonna skip this because I already installed it. Once you finish the installation, so you can decide also to install it into another hard disk and not the typical, which is the operative system hard disk. Once you're finished, you just need to go into the Windows here and just open it up from the latest software, or you can just search for it down at the bottom. Just search for, well, not Excel, of course, but Calc. If you search for Calc, you're gonna open it from here. So click here, and there you go. You have it. It's right there. And then you can start to work with it. So this will be all for this video guide. If you have some questions or suggestions, please write it in the comments, and please follow us on the YouTube channel. And if you want to support us, please join. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.